it operates without battery and only with hand starter starts. And there's no need of any battery here. The engine is magnet. This is 1908 Austin model.
So how many days are you maintaining all this?
Oh, this is from last 40-50 years we are maintaining.
So why sir? Why is it a hobby or something?
It was my hobby and it has changed to my son's hobby. Son's is doing it.
How many days are you collection of
Personally, I was having 4-5 vehicles. Now my son has developed to 15.
Any special one?
Son, chalu aao.
Sir, any special one?
Hi. All are special vehicles. All are special. I told you this operates without magnet. Very rare pieces in India you will find this. Very rare. 1 or 2 vehicles if you get it, this is very rare. And this, speciality is this bumpers are stake type. Stake type bumpers. And Rasool Khan, Director Shadan Medical Institutions. And as you all know that from last 1 week our cultural activities are going on at our medical college. And on the request of our students, we have brought these cars here. And as you can see, we are showcasing 6 Austin 7s and 1 Austin Mini Cooper and 1 Ford A, which is 1928 model, and 7 Jeeps from 1952 to 1982 model. And the students, they are loving it. I think they are very much fond of vintage cars. And they requested us to bring the cars here today, so we have brought the cars.
So how do you got the hobby of collecting of vintage cars?
Actually, these 4 cars are my ancestral cars, 4 Austin 7s. My grandfather used to maintain it, and after that my father, he maintained, and now I am maintaining these cars.
What about the future cars?
Actually, I have grown up seeing this Austin 7s, so I love Austin 7s, and I'm planning to buy as much as possible Austin 7s.
What's the cost of them?
Actually, these cars are priceless now. Nowadays you can buy a Rolls Royce also, but these cars are not available, so it is priceless.
Thank you.
Thank you.